Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining us for this brief market review on this January 24th, 2022. This is Digital Energy, where we talk about Bitcoin, other digital assets, and the incredible crypto revolution that's sweeping the globe. So, of course, everybody knows that we've been in a pretty severe pullback. A lot of people starting to feel some really severe fear and anxiety with regard to their positions. But I do want to give a little bit of good news, but with a word of caution. And so I've got up here today's daily chart. And this is the candle that we just closed. And of course, this is the new candle that just opened about an hour ago. But I want to zoom in there a little bit and just have you take a look at this. I think what I really like about this candle is, number one, that it is a dragonfly doji, which is a positive sign. You can see that we fell down pretty substantially this morning and then bounce back up for the day. And I think that that's a very, very positive sign. If you watch my video from yesterday, you'll know that I have some trailing buy stops. I'll include a link in the description below to yesterday's video where I explain the trailing ladder buy stop strategy and how that can help you in a down market. So I've been accumulating all the way down, and actually I'm a little bit disappointed that I didn't pick up this one at 32,900. You'll see that the price actually fell to within $33 of that, but it was never triggered. And then of course we actually saw the market rocket up higher today. If you find this content helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, click on that notification bell so you receive a notification every time we post a new video, and please leave some comments in the comments below. So I'm pretty happy with the Bitcoin that I've picked up as we've gone further and further down. Again, I'm a long-term holder. I plan to never sell any of the Bitcoin that I'm acquiring. Although I will say that at times when we do approach to what looks like an all-time high or a blow-off top, I do reserve a small percentage that I sell to give me a little bit of cash for the downturns. One thing you need when you have these laddered buy stops is a little bit of an arsenal of cash in order to make those trades. So why am I bullish or positive on this day? Well, number one, you can see we had pretty decent volume today. The best bullish volume on net that we've had in several days. So I think that bodes well. I think it's an indication that the bears might be getting exhausted. And if that's the case, I think that you may see some buyers come in and push the price higher. Now, the other thing that I want to mention is that I've had the feeling over the last couple of weeks during this pretty strong downtrend that some of the larger whale holders of Bitcoin might be manipulating the price, trying to get a better entry point. And I think that's also potentially led for some of the institutions who have indicated a desire to get into the market to just wait, to keep their powder dry, see just how low this pullback might go to get the very best entry that they can get. So I think at some point that may all turn to the bull's favor, because as we start moving higher, I think those institutions and those whales will want to jump back in. I do think we need to be cautious though. I would have liked to see this be even a stronger push up today without this top tail. It would be nice if we had have closed at the highs of the day. We didn't. So we're going to see overnight what happens. Sometimes the manipulation overnight does occur because the volumes are quite a bit lower. Most of the volume occurs during the market trading hours in the United States. So could this be the dead cat bounce? Well, it could be. We could bounce and go lower. And that's, of course, why I have my trailing buy stops here to pick up things if we do go lower. Let me know what you think about today's action. Do you think it's a bullish sign? Do you think we're just going to bounce and go lower? What strategies do you employ to help yourself remain calm in these types of pullbacks. But stay the course. If you're a long-term hodler, continue to hold. No one ever said holding would be easy. It takes a steel nerve, and we need to continue to hold the line, maintain our positive attitude about Bitcoin, because I still believe it is the apex cryptocurrency, the very best asset that exists to protect ourselves from monetary debasement and inflation and even world chaos like we're seeing now. So hold the course. I believe there's better days to come, and as always, protect yourself out there.